to develop the new Navara N-Trek Warrior to give us exactly what we want. It goes on sale right now.
It's still a very heavy car with a curb weight of 1,955 kilograms if you include 75 kilos for the driver, which Mitsubishi doesn't in its published curb weight.
But please don't confuse the Navara N-Trek Warrior with the regular N-Trek they released 4 months ago.
However, because of the relatively low 1,500 kilo towing limit, a caravan weighing 85% of the curb weight is too heavy to make a legal match.
Did you know that even some of the most popular high-tech cars can't pass a basic test designed to keep you safe on the road? Watch as we unveil 10 shocking failures from the Moose test that could change the way you view car safety. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz AClass, 1997. In 1997, Mercedes-Benz launched the AClass, a compact car meant to showcase their innovation. But during the infamous Moose test, a routine swerve simulation, the vehicle tipped over, a disaster for a brand built on precision. This shocking failure wasn't just embarrassing, it signaled a major safety concern that couldn't be ignored. Mercedes had to recall around 2,600 units and halt production, a move that cost them significantly in both finances and reputation. To fix the issue, they equipped the A-Class with an electronic stability program, ESP, a feature designed to prevent rollovers in emergency situations. Number 2, Toyota Hilux, 2022. The Toyota Hilux has built a reputation as a rugged, reliable workhorse, but its performance in the 2022 Moose test suggests otherwise. When faced with sudden swerves, the Hilux exhibited severe body roll and a tendency to lift its wheels off the ground, raising concerns about stability. This isn't just a recent issue either. Even with updated suspension systems, the Hilux has consistently struggled with weight transfer in emergency scenarios, exposing a recurring flaw in its design. In earlier models, the absence and later adjustments to its electronic stability control didn't fully resolve the problem. For a vehicle marketed as dependable, these failures suggest drivers may face unexpected risks when reacting to obstacles, a worrying oversight for real-world safety. Number 3, Jeep Wrangler, 2018. The Jeep Wrangler has earned its reputation as an off-road legend, but its performance on regular roads under extreme conditions like the Moose test tells a different story. During the 2018 test, the Wrangler displayed excessive body roll, with its high center of gravity and short wheelbase heavily impacting stability. At speeds of 40 to 50 miles per hour, the vehicle struggled to maintain control, and its electronic stability system responded too slowly to prevent alarming handling issues. Designed for rough terrains, these traits are deliberate, yet they compromise its ability to execute sudden swerves on paved roads safely. For drivers expecting both adventure and daily reliability, the Wrangler's on-road risks are a surprising drawback. Speaking of compact off-roaders, let's consider the Suzuki Jimny. Number 4, Suzuki Jimny, 2019. The Suzuki Jimny, especially the 2019 model, is loved for its retro design and off-road capabilities, but the Moose test reveals an alarming side to its personality. During testing, the Jimny showed significant oversteer, with the rear wheels losing grip and sliding outward. This made it difficult to control, even at moderate speeds, a critical flaw in emergency situations. Its lightweight construction and basic suspension, ideal for off-road trails, become liabilities on asphalt. The suspension struggles to handle rapid weight shifts during sudden maneuvers, leaving the vehicle unstable and unpredictable. These design choices prioritize agility on rough terrain, but compromise safety on paved roads. The Jimny is a clear reminder that charm and capability don't always guarantee stability. Number 5, Dacia Logan MCV, 2018. The Dacia Logan MCV is often praised for its affordability, making it an appealing choice for families on tight budgets. However, its performance in the 2018 Moose test casts a shadow over that reputation. During the test, the Logan MCV experienced severe understeer, struggling to maintain grip and veering wide of its intended path. This instability made it difficult to complete the maneuver safely. The Logan's budget-friendly price point comes with compromises, notably in critical safety systems like electronic stability control and suspension design. These omissions leave it underprepared for emergency handling situations where controlled weight transfer and traction matter most. For a car marketed as family-friendly, the Logan MCV's Moose Test failure reveals serious safety concerns. But affordability isn't always the culprit. Larger vehicles also stumble. Number 6. Nissan Navara, 2020. The Nissan Navara has long been seen as a sturdy, dependable pickup, but its Moose Test results paint a different picture. During the test, the 2020 Navara revealed a concerning lack of stability, with excessive body roll becoming evident even at lower speeds. This instability isn't just unsettling, it's a potential safety hazard in real-world scenarios where evasive action is necessary. The issue stems from the Navara's design priorities. Built for heavy loads and towing, its suspension system and higher center of gravity sacrifice agility for utility. Combined with tires optimized for durability rather than sharp handling, it struggles to maintain control when swerving sharply. These trade-offs mean that, for the unladen driver, even routine emergency maneuvers could escalate into major risks. Number 7. Isuzu DMax, 2020. The Isuzu DMax, celebrated for its durability and utility-focused design, faces unexpected challenges during the Moose Test. When forced to execute sharp swerves, the 2020 model struggled with poor handling and stability, particularly in the rear axle. This difficulty stems from the DMax's engineering, which prioritizes load-bearing capability over agility. Its high center of gravity and stiff suspension contribute to significant body roll, making quick directional changes difficult to control. These design trade-offs highlight a critical issue. While the DMax excels at towing and hauling, it falters in emergency scenarios requiring dynamic handling. For drivers expecting versatility, the compromised stability may come as an unwelcome surprise. Number 8. Mitsubishi Outlander, PHEV, 2019. The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has been celebrated for its eco-friendly design, but its Moose Test results reveal concerning flaws. The hybrid drivetrain, while efficient, adds significant weight to the vehicle. Components like the battery pack and electric motors shift the center of gravity, altering how the car handles sudden directional changes. During testing, this became evident as the Outlander struggled to stay composed, with poor grip and increased body roll reducing its stability. Even the electronic stability control ESC system couldn't fully compensate. The extra weight overwhelmed its ability to manage sharp weight transfers, leaving the Outlander unpredictable in emergencies. Number 9. Volkswagen Tiguan, 2016. The Volkswagen Tiguan has become a popular family SUV, but its performance in the Moose Test exposes a critical flaw. During the 2016 test, the Tiguan displayed excessive understeer, where the vehicle failed to respond sharply enough to driver inputs. This delayed reaction, combined with sluggish intervention from the electronic stability control system, caused the car to struggle in maintaining its intended path during emergency maneuvers. These issues are directly tied to the Tiguan's design priorities. Built with comfort and ease of driving in mind, its softer suspension sacrifices the agility needed for quick directional changes. While it excels in providing a smooth ride for everyday use, the Tiguan's inability to handle sudden obstacles highlights a troubling gap between marketed safety and real-world performance. Number 10. Hyundai i20, 2020. The Hyundai i20 is marketed as a trustworthy city car, compact and efficient for urban living. But when faced with the Moose Test, its performance raised serious concerns. During testing, the i20 demonstrated sudden oversteer, causing the rear to swing unnervingly, making it hard to regain control even at moderate speeds. For a car designed to navigate unpredictable city traffic, this instability is worrying. The issue lies in design trade-offs. Its lightweight construction and basic suspension, choices likely made to maximize fuel efficiency and affordability, compromise its ability to handle rapid direction changes. Without high-performance stability controls or advanced safety features, the EI20 falters exactly when reliability is needed most. These lapses serve as a reminder of the risks involved in prioritizing costs over safety. Even trusted brands with cutting-edge technology can falter when it comes to the Moose test, revealing critical gaps in real-world safety. No amount of sleek design or advanced features can compensate for flaws in weight distribution or suspension, as seen in models like the Toyota Hilux and Jeep Wrangler. When choosing a car, it's essential to research independent safety evaluations to avoid hidden risks. What other tests might expose weaknesses in today's vehicles? There's more to uncover. Stay tuned to discover the truth about car safety.